Are you looking for best drone camera for video shooting or best affordable drone with 4K camera? For many years, renting a full-sized helicopter and a professional pilot to guide a camera crew was the only means to obtain aerial video footage. As you can expect, this procedure was costly, so only blockbuster movie producers and companies with enormous marketing budgets often had access to aerial video footage. But thanks to drone videography, getting distinctive and excellent video footage has never been cheaper or easier. Drones can record breathtaking aerial video footage of any event, whether an indoor conference or an outdoor festival, which you can subsequently use to produce high-quality digital marketing content. Here, I've included 5 best drones for video recording, as using eye-catching aerial footage can also help your footage stand out from the crowd and fly above the competitors. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, DJI Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Stay in the air long enough to get the perfect capture with an impressive battery life of up to 34 minutes and pull off epic, fast-paced shots with a max flight speed of 42.3 miles per hour in sport mode. With a 1/2 inch CMOS sensor, Mavic Air 2 captures impressive 48 MP photos. Master creative aerial shots thanks to effortlessly smooth 4K/60 FPS video. DJI is the global leader in civilian drones, aerial imaging technology, and creative camera technology. Its products are used every day by customers in over 100 countries for filmmaking, construction, inspection, emergency response, agriculture, conservation, and beyond. Number 2, DJI Mini 2. At less than 249 g, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. A 12 MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K/30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, with a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance. Just a few taps, DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional-level videos to share directly on social media. Number 3, DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus version 2.0. The Phantom 4 Pro Plus version 2.0 camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20 MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. With the 5.5-inch 1080p LCD screen built into the optional remote controller, your images are easily visible even in direct sunlight. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is a beast when it comes to flight performance. It has a maximum flight speed of 72 km per hour and an 8 km transmission range. What you get: DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus version 2.0, remote controller with 5.5-inch screen, intelligent flight, battery, charger, power cable, 4x propellers, pair, gimbal clamp, micro SD card, 32 GB, micro USB cable, carrying case. Number 4, DJI Mini 3 Pro. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48 MP photos. Weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more, allowing you to pack light and enjoy the creative experience. Number 5, DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K/30 fps and 4K/60 fps video. The next evolution of QuickShots, Master Shots, is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. The 10-bit Blog-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly.